Today I will guide you that what exactly reports are available for production in TranZact and exactly how those reports are helpful. Quickly, let's go to our reports module. Now, once I go to my reports module, quickly scroll below to our production reports. So let me explain each and every report to you. The very first report which you get, that is the process basic information and history. So this is a report which gives you exact detail that what action have been taken on the process by user. Like suppose issuing raw material, publishing the process, then after updating the finished good and such like activities can be checked from here. Going to the next part, which is the process details item wise. Process detail item wise basically provide you the info that in each item, what is the status of that process and what is the quantity of the production and such like that detail. Going to the next, which is the production report. Production report provide you day by day production report, that exactly day by day how much production have been happening and what is the quantity and with all the product. Going to the next, this is the FG creation detail report. So it basically shows you date wise production and testing detail of FG in each and every process. So once you go ahead and create a process, obviously before completing that, you go ahead and just put the FG testing mark. So you can very well go ahead and check that details from here. Next report is process routing details. Process routing details is that report. So suppose if in any bill of material I have provided a routing and that is being included in the process. So very well you can go ahead and check that what routing have been happened on which process. Now going to the next, process routing comment report. So suppose you have run a production, you have completed the routing. Now while completing the routing, there comes an option where you go ahead and put the comment. So very well, from this report you can go ahead and check that what were the comments which were provided on process in routing. Going to the next, that is the BOM amendment report. BOM amendment report basically gives you all the detail of bill of material which is amended. Like whatever the changes you have made, you can very well go ahead and check that in BOM amendment report. Next is the item bill of material report, item BOM report. So you can very well go ahead and check that in a single BOM which item are present in the bill of material, so that you must be having a visibility that if there is any item is missing in my bill of material. Same you can go ahead and check in the bill of material as well. Now coming to the next, this is the single item production report. It gives you entire report, entire data of a single item, a single process, that what exactly is the status, what actions are being taken with the transaction. So these are few of the reports in production module, and you can very well go ahead and generate the report and check the filters and column according to your use case. So please go ahead and have a look. Have a good day.